Hi friends, welcome to Code World YouTube channel. My name is Basha. Here we have been discussing Python tutorial for beginners from scratch. In this video, we are going to discuss about file handling. See the agenda, open the file, and how to write data to the file and how to read data from the file. If you remember, in the previous video we discussed about exception handling, right? Make sure you watch that video and come to this video. The link of that video is in description below and above iCard. Please check it out. Before getting to the topic, a small request for you friends. If you learn something from this video, please support me. Please hit the red subscribe button and activate the bell icon to get notifications. Get into the video. We can use Python to read and write the content of the files. Python has several functions for creating, reading, and updating and deleting files. The main function we use for file handling is open function. See the syntax? Cf, f is equal to, f means any variable, open, and in the round brackets, first parameter is file name or location of the file. If the file is located in the same directory where your Python file is located, then we have to give the file name, otherwise we have to give the location of the file. The second parameter is mode. Whether you want to open the file in read mode or write mode or append mode, okay? See, to open the file in read mode, we have to give R for write mode, W for append mode, A, and for both reading and writing modes, we have to give R plus. And if you give X, it will create a file. If the file already exists, it give an error. It return an error. See here, I'll show you with example. Then you will clear with this concept. Okay, this is my sublime. First, I will create a file using this Python code. File is equal to open, and I give file name as first file, .txt, and the mode is X, right? X. Okay, I run this code. Okay, see here, with the name first file, the file is created here. Okay, next, to write to files, you can use the write method, which write a string to the file. See here, for the same file, the first file.txt, I'll write something. Okay, so to do that, file is equal to open, and the name of the file I give as first file.txt, and for writing we have to open it in write mode, so I give W, right? And I'll write the code here. File dot write some string. For example, I write Python is easy, right? Python is easy, right? Okay, once a file has been opened and used, you should close it. To close the file, file dot close. That's it. I run this code. Now if you open this first file.txt, Python is easy is written to this file. Like this, we write files by using this Python code. Okay. Next, reading from files. The content of the files has been read using this read method. See here, I already created a file1.txt with this text, hello and welcome to Code World and happy learning. I read this content by using Python code. See here. First we have to open the file. File is equal to open and file name file1.txt. Mode. Here we want to read the file, right? So I give mode as R. Next I print file dot read. Okay. Next we have to close the file. File dot close. Right. I run this code. See, our data is printed here. Hello, welcome to Code World and happy learning. Right? This is how we read data from the file. I will show you with another example. See here, I created a file in this location, file2 in another directory. So to read this data, I copy this path, okay, and I paste it here, okay, and file2 dot txt is allowed in read mode. So print file.read and I close the file.close. By using this code, I read the data which is not located in this directory, which is located in this path. Okay, see here I run this code. See, Python is easy. This file contain the data. Python is easy. See here, I'll show you. See, Python is easy. Is the data which this file contain. So this is printed here. To read only certain amount of file, you can provide a number as an argument to the read function. This determines the number of bytes that should be read. For example, in the file1.txt, I want to read only hello, this word only. So I'll read by using this Python code. First we have to open the file, right? File is equal to open, and the file name is file1.txt, right? And we want to read, that's why mode as R. Okay, and I want to read only hello, which is 5 bytes. That's why I give print file.read, this round brackets, I give 5 and I close the file, right? I run this code. See, only hello is printed. To read only certain amount of data, we can provide a number as an argument to this read function. Okay, you want me to teach more about this Python? Make sure you comment below. Hey, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. To retrieve each line in a file, you can use the read lines method to return a list in which each element is a line in the file. Show that with example. In the same file1.txt, print file.readlines. Okay, and file.close. I have to close the file, right? I run this code. See, return the list in which each element is a line in the file, right? And we can also use for loop to iterate through the lines. For loop or while loop, any loop which you can use. Here I will show you for loop. I had to open the file in read mode and for line in file. Here line is a variable. You can use any variable, x, y, r, l, a, b, any variable. I use line as my variable and print the line. Print line. And we have to close the file. File.close. Once a file has been opened and used, you have to close the file. Now I'll run my code. See here. Hello, welcome to Code World and happy learning are printed. Okay. Finally, I'll show you how to append the data. So for this file1.txt, I'll append some data. First I have to open the file, right? File is equal to open. Here this file is also a variable. You can use any variable. I use file and file name file1.txt. Appending means just the data will be added at the end. So I give mode as a append and file.write, and I want to append some data like now. And now we are learning Python. And I close the file.close, right? I run my code. Okay, now see, now we are learning Python. This is appended to file1.txt. We have an alternative way of doing this using this with statement. See here, with open, and here we have to give file name file1.txt as file, and here we have to give print file.read. Okay, see, the data in the file is printed. This is one alternate way to work with files. That's it for this video, friends. See you in next video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Comment your opinion on this video in the comment section below. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you for watching.